Trekking is what I enjoy in my leisure time. So this Christmas I trekked along the trails of Kuntibetta near Bangalore. Kuntibetta has its significance dating back from the Mahabharata, where Kunti, along with her sons Pandavas, dwelled in this hill during the time of their exile. I was awestruck by the beauty of the paddy fields and the coconut trees. I genuinely feel trekking gives an important lesson of life. How? Very simple. Sometimes we tend to overlook an easy path in front of us and build up the barrier for ourselves. Trekking is all about finding your own path, just like life. Kuntibetta is around 146 kilometers from Bangalore, and it took 3.5 hours for us to reach this place. We took around 2 hours to complete the trek, including the ascent and the descent. We chilled at the top, we enjoyed the companionship, and of course, the weather was awesome. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for more such adventures. If you liked the video, press the thumbs button and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, keep exploring.